What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day today. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a step-by-step, easy and simple guide on how to set up Aimlabs. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So when you first load up Aimlabs, I'm pretty sure they have a tutorial. I don't really remember. I remember vaguely. I'm pretty sure they have a tutorial, but I kind of forgot what it was because I downloaded this a while ago when it first came out, so I don't really know what it is, if they changed it. But once you get to this screen, go down here, go to your settings, and you're going to want to create your crosshair. So obviously your crosshair is right here. Do whatever you need. If you like what you have like default, go ahead, but just go ahead and create your crosshair, do all that. And once you're done with that, we're going to be going on to the controls. So in the controls, so you go to your game profile, whatever you want to increase your accuracy on. I did game profile Apex Legends because that's what it'll have, like all of this set up. It'll have like the same setup for the game settings and all that of the game that you want to get into. So Counter-Strike, Valorant, I'm pretty sure is in here, GTA, but I did Apex because that's the main game that I play. Yeah, see Valorant right there. So go ahead and click that. And this one is going to be for Apex since I'm already doing it, and most of my videos are on Apex. So go ahead and copy your sensitivity. This isn't your ADS sensitivity, this is just your regular sensitivity in-game. So my sensitivity in Apex is 2.9. Make sure you keep your DPI the same. Don't change that. DPI stays the same. So just mess with your sensitivity. Or no, don't mess with it, sorry. Copy it from whatever game that you want to practice on. Also put this as in-game units. So copy your same sensitivity, your field of view, mine is maxed out on that, it's 110, and then just go through all of these and just copy it. This is for controller, pretty sure, yeah, and then this is your ADS sensitivity. I'm going to be honest, in Aimlabs you rarely ever aim, some people do, some people don't, but pretty sure this is what mine is in-game. I didn't really mess with it because you kind of hip fire mostly in Aimlabs. But believe it or not, it actually still helps improve while you're aiming down sights, so don't really need to worry about that. But go ahead and customize this to whatever it is in that game. And yeah, just mess with your audio, graphics, visuals, but the controls and the crosshair, along with the keybinds, do whatever you guys need to do in the keybinds. Not much to it, to be honest with you, because in most of them you can't even really like move side to side or anything. And then obviously game, you can go ahead and do whatever you need to do in here. So once you do that, you're pretty much all set up. So you just want to click on tasks. There's Siege and Valorant so far. They keep updating this. There's constant updates on it, so no need to worry about that. There's Siege and there's Valorant. So if you guys want to go ahead and do this, some of them do involve moving around, others you just sit still. A couple of my favorites are these: Grid Shot, Spider Shot, and Strafe Shot. But whatever skill you want to improve on, go into that skill. Say you want to improve flicking. Some of my favorite on the flicking is Spider Shot. Micro Shot is pretty good. And yeah, Grid Shot. For tracking, I recommend Strafe Shot. Because the reason I say this is because strafe track, as you can see here, you follow it, but if you're not hitting you don't like press your fire button or anything. It's always firing, which I feel like annoys me because then your percentage goes down even if you're not holding your fire button. So it's a little meh. So I prefer the strafe shot. Circle shot is another pretty good one, and circle track, but same thing, you know, with the strafe track. You don't aim, so circle shot and strafe shot are my favorite. For speed, it's a lot of tracking and flicking, but just a speed test to see how fast you can hit it. Don't really worry about accuracy in the speed section. Just try and go for as fast as you can and call it a day. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for you guys in this video. Go through it. This will really help you. I know it helped me when I first started playing on PC, and it's still helping me to this day improve my accuracy in Apex or any other game. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you did, please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to never miss an upload. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good night, guys.